How do I use Tumblr to publish content?
Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we're going to explore how to use Tumblr to publish content. Whether you're new to Tumblr or looking to refine your posting skills, this guide will have you up and running in no time.
What is Tumblr?
Before we dive in, it's important to understand what Tumblr is. Tumblr is a blogging platform that allows users to post text, images, videos, links, quotes, and audio to their Tumblr, a short-form blog. Users can follow other users' blogs, as well as make their blogs private. It's a space of creativity and self-expression.
How to create a Tumblr account?
The first step in publishing content on Tumblr is to create an account. Here's how. 1. Go to the Tumblr website. 2. Click on the Get Started button. 3. Provide the necessary information such as email, password, and the username you want. 4. Click on Sign Up. And voila, you now have a Tumblr account.
How to create and publish a post?
Once you're logged into your Tumblr account, it's time to create a post. Follow these steps. 1. Click on the pencil icon at the top of the dashboard. 2. Choose the type of post you want to create: text, photo, quote, link, chat, audio, or video. 3. Enter your content. For a text post, for example, enter your title in the title box and your body text in the post box. 4. When you're satisfied with your content, click Post at the bottom of the screen. Your post is now live.
How to edit or delete a post?
If you need to make changes to a post or remove it altogether, here's what you need to do. 1. Navigate to the post you want to edit or delete. 2. Click on the post settings icon. It looks like 3 dots. 3. Choose Edit or Delete from the drop-down menu. 4. If you're editing, make your changes and then select Save. And there you have it. You now know how to create an account on Tumblr, publish a post, and edit or delete it if necessary. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, Tumblr is all about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to get creative with your posts. Happy tumbling!